How to use CoinDCX as beginner. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about CoinDCX, which is an Indian-based trading platform. And as a beginner, you might get confused on how to utilize it. But don't worry, CoinDCX is a very beginner-friendly. So easily download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. It has two main features. You have Lite for investors and Pro for traders. In Lite mode, you have a lot of different cool features such as support, ad feedback, coupon code, and so on and so forth. But if you want to trade in their platform, you're going to have to go for the Pro version, which is for traders. Now, to give you a quick insight on their UI, they have four basic pages over here. You have Home, where you will be able to check out the different statistics of different cryptocurrencies like gainers, losers, meme, and so on and so forth. This is also where you can manage your funds. As you can see here at the top, you could easily add funds into your account. And below you have markets, orders, and funds. You can also manage your funds on the bottom right over here, as you can see. Now, over here, if you check out our different pages, specifically in market, this is where you will be able to view your spot and all kinds of cryptocurrencies. You have INR, USDT, BTC, and so on and so forth, and you can monitor everything inside of it. You're able to select options or any of this for you to be able to buy and sell if you prefer. Aside from that, there's also some features over here or futures available for you to check out. Now, we have basic features over here. We have a feature called Earn, wherein you will be able to check out here different options for you to be able to earn or like simple earning, as you can see. And then there's also a dedicated help page for CoinDCX. So if you're confused, they have a page just like this one over here that explains different information about CoinDCX. So it's very easy to actually utilize this platform. It's not very hard for you to get lost. Here's a way, as you can see, for you to be able to withdraw INR and deposit INR from your funds, as you can see here. And you're just simply going to enter the amount of INR that you want to withdraw, then simply select the bank, and then simply click on continue to withdraw, and you should be able to withdraw your INR. So that's basically it, guys. To be able to deposit as well, this is what it would look like. So if you click on deposit, you should be able to enter how much you want and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.